हेलो एंड वेलकम टू क्लैप ट्रैप। और आप देख रहे हैं एक नया एपिसोड। इस एपिसोड में हमेशा की तरह हम आपको कुछ ट्रेंडी फर्नीचर दिखाएंगे। सस्ते फर्नीचर्स जो होते हैं, जो बहुत चीप और रोड साइड मिलते हैं, वो भी हम अक्सर कवर करते रहे हैं क्योंकि वो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होते हैं और कई तरह की सोसाइटीज़ एंड सेक्शंस में अच्छे जाते हैं। लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम्स हम कुछ ऐसे वीडियोस भी बनाते हैं, ऐसे फर्नीचर भी दिखाते हैं जो कि ट्रेंडी हैं। हालांकि बहुत महंगे नहीं हैं, एनीबडी कैन अफोर्ड देम। और इसमें वुड्स का चलन सबसे ज़्यादा है। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि वुड्स हमेशा से ही फर्नीचर के लिए इस्तेमाल होता रहा है, बाकी चीज़ों के अलावा। और फर्नीचर जो कि वुड्स के बने होते हैं, जो शीशम है या टीक वुड के, उनकी लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है। ईजी टू मेंटेन होता है इनको करना, ये रॉयल लुक देता है। और जब आप वुड को अपने घर में इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, यानी कि वुड का एक कोई भी फर्नीचर अपने घर में रखते हैं, तो बेसिकली आप नेचर को अपने घर में लाते हैं। तो आपके घर के अंदर एक फ्रेश एलिमेंट इंक्लूड करता है वो। और इसके बने हुए बेड्स, एलमीराज, ट्रंक और बहुत कुछ आपको देखने को मिल जाता है। आज के वीडियो में हम एक ऐसी छोटी सी चीज़ आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराएंगे जो कि आपके घर में बहुत यूज़फुल होगी और आप डेफिनेटली उसको ख़रीदना चाहेंगे। सो लेट्स चेक दैट आउट। Good evening, Mr. Glenn.
Good evening.
Sir, last time we covered, in my previous video, we covered those bed tables.
Beds
Very
are
useful.
bed table.
Bed tables, very useful for students, patients,
Exactly.
kids, and grown-ups as well. And I'm sure people will like them. And there's one more thing which is important to understand, that most of the people that face this problem, that when they move in the rented apartment, they don't have space to hang their art objects. It's be it a living room or kitchen or drawing room or library. They don't have too much space and they don't want to carry big almiras. So do you have a solution for that?
We have brackets, like wall brackets,
Okay.
which can be kept above a writing table to store small items on it,
Okay.
or display items on it, or keep books even.
All
For
right.
that matter.
So we'll have a look.
And have a look at this.
All right.
You can keep different sizes out here. Small books in there, larger
Okay.
standing
All
books.
right. This is interesting. So this is called wall bracket,
This is a wall bracket.
and all these parts can be used. This part.
This section can be used for different
All right.
things, and you can even use the top.
Top also you can use. And what is the utility? As you said, you can store your books here, and you
keep
can have your
books
art
out there,
objects.
You can keep your artifacts out there.
All right.
You can keep your display items which you want to display, and that can be also kept.
All right. I have seen some people using this in the kitchen as well.
You can use it in the kitchen also if you like.
And bathroom also it can be used.
Bathroom, I would not advise it because bathroom has steam and
Oh, a lot of moisture is there in
would
the.
affect the wood.
All right. This again is we'll talk about this. We'll talk about the other models also. But this is again shisham
Again, shisham.
and treated the same.
And seasoned and chemically treated, as
All right.
I mentioned before.
All right. What is the price for this one?
The price of this is 3,500.
This is for 3,500 rupees, and it has got 1, 2, 3, 4 inside columns, and then you can keep few things on the top of it. So this is for 3,500 rupees, and the measurement will be around 2.5 feet to 3 feet. Right, sir?
The measurement is if you
All right. We'll take the measurement now.
2 feet 3 inches
This is 2 feet 3 inches.
by 2 feet 3 inches again.
This is again 2 feet 3 inches.
3 inches.
All right. So this is a wonderful piece. I think it's a very good alternative for the people those who are looking for something which is very light
Very
and
light.
and very
Easy
trendy.
to store and easy to, it's out of the way of other things.
All right. And this can go with both modern house and
yes.
ethnic house.
Oh yes.
All right.
Well, it's not an ethnic item.
All right. This goes with both the kind of schemes if you have a modern house. और इसको टांगने का क्या provision है basically? How do you hang this? इसको
It
hang
has
कैसे
to be
करते हैं?
hung by a couple of screws.
All right.
The wall should be sturdy enough. If it's
Okay.
not, it should be made a hole and plugged
Okay.
before the screws are put in,
All right.
and then you can hang it on the screws itself.
All right. This is for 3,500 rupees. We'll have a look at the other one now.
I'll just show you how the. Then we have a different other one which is mainly for small display items.
Okay. All right.
And this again can be hung on a wall.
All right. Which one, sir? This one.
This one here.
Okay. This one is for the smaller objects, relatively. All
It's
right.
got more small sections to segregate each and every item you want to put out there.
All right. Okay. And again there are screws. पीछे इसके screw दिए हुए हैं. You can easily hang it.
These brackets
These
can be hung
Okay. Okay. This will come with the holes यहाँ
With
पे
the- yes.
with metal holes, and you
with
can
the
easily hang.
hanging arrangement.
All right. This is looking very nice. इसका क्या measurement है सर? क्या इसकी height
This is
कितनी है?
2 feet by 2 feet.
2 feet by 2 feet का है ये, almost in the square shape. ये भी हर जगह किसी भी जगह किसी भी कॉलम में रख सकते हैं घर में.
Anywhere it can be kept, anywhere it can
Besides bathroom, you can hang anywhere. All right. This again is shisham.
be. Again, shisham, seasoned, chemically treated.
And how much is this for?
And this again is 3,500.
3,500 rupees. Very, very, very good for your living room. Very nice for kitchen as well. You can keep small things. Of course, इसमें books नहीं रख सकते because these columns are very small. But this wall bracket is for your decorative items. We'll check out another piece. Okay, this is one more.
This is another wall bracket which can be utilized for keeping books
Okay,
and display items as already shown in this.
on the display. All right. इसका क्या measurement है सर?
The measurement for this one would be 2 feet 9 inches.
2 feet 9 inches, and the height is
Height is 22 inches.
22 inches. Very perfect choice for the study room
For a study room.
You
for
can keep a books.
display
and the living rooms also.
living room also to display all the items.
All right.
Artifacts.
And how much is this for?
This again is cost 3,500
3,500 rupees. All right.
inches.
This is another piece. ये थोड़ा यूनिक है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. दिस इज स्टाइल है ये इसका. इसकी लेंथ बता दें पहले, आपको सर बता रहे हैं कि 30 इंचेस है यहाँ से, और इसकी जो हाइट है
Height is 22 inches.
22 इंचेस. ये थोड़ा यूनिक है उन सबसे, ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. ऐसा लगता है कि ये, पर ये स्टाइल है इसमें. बेसिकली यू गेट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to keep store your things.
Different sizes of things. And
All right.
The top is open, so you can even keep the larger items.
All right. So this top is basically open, so you can place your larger statues, your larger works, bigger books also you can place here. Sir, how much is this for?
This we priced it at 3,500.
How much?
Aram se 500.
So this is also for 3,500 rupees. All right, sir. Thank you.